Stable, the man charged in the shooting death of a woman on the Sawmill Branch Trail had his bond terms changed during a hearing today. Our Emily Deanne has been following this case and was in court as the victim's family asked a judge to make modifications.
The family of Lori Wind asked a Dorchester County judge today to consider additional restrictions to the bond for Christopher McDonald.
I relive and replay this nightmare every day, several times a day. I believe the added restrictions by the solicitor's office to be very reasonable. My hope here today is that the added restrictions will provide a small amount of relief to myself, my family, and the community.
An emotional plea from Frank Wind a month after his wife was shot and killed and he was severely injured. Back in October, the two were walking on the Sawmill Branch Trail when they were shot multiple times. Frank survived. Lori died on the scene. 20-year-old Christopher McDonald faces multiple charges, including involuntary manslaughter and assault and battery of an aggravated nature, as well as night hunting, among other charges. He claimed the deadly shooting was a hunting accident and was originally released on bond. Family of Lori Wind disagree, since McDonald fled the scene, did not call 911 or render aid.
The defendant, who claims he was hunting, clearly disregarded every rule, law, and regulation relating to hunting, and willfully ignored basic common sense by shooting at 8 p.m. on a known recreational trail. His actions leave me with one less family member.
Today, the family asked the judge to sign off on stricter penalties for McDonald, including a no-contact order, to not return to the trail, and remain on house arrest with few exceptions. This is in addition to a $400,000 bond and loss of firearm privileges.
We were provided a number of videos that were put on public social media accounts of the defendant in this case using firearms, what I would describe as recklessly, which is why the family is so concerned.
Because of this, the state pushed for stricter restrictions on firearms and requested that McDonald not be around any firearms, which means removing the hunting weapons from his parents' home where he currently lives. The judge signed off on this prearranged negotiation. McDonald waived his right to be in court today. For now, investigators will continue to analyze the forensic evidence, and a second appearance is expected to be scheduled in summer of 2025. Working for you, Emily Deanne, News 4.